Okay, so take a look at the last place value of each decimal that you want to convert to a fraction. And then you, in your mind, you make sure that you match up what the place value is. Well, 0.3, that's in the tenth spot, and here's a chart to help you remember those. That's in the tenths. So all we have to do when it does not repeat is take the place value and make that our denominator, and what comes to the right of the decimal becomes our numerator, the top number of the fraction. So 3/10. And when we come down here, the 5 is in the tenth spot, so that goes for our denominator. 5 goes on top. If you need to, always simplify the fraction. It's a good habit to get into. Here, the 3 is in our thousandths place, the thousandths place. So we would put 1,000 on the bottom, and 113 would go on top. What if the decimal's repeating? Well, if the entire decimal is repeating, like these two examples, this trick will work. If you look at it and only a portion of the decimal is repeating, this will not work. Okay, so always make sure that all of the decimals are repeating. Here we go. That's the 10th spot. Just subtract 1 off of it. Instead of putting 10 on the bottom, just say 10 minus 1 equals 9. Our denominator is going to be 9, and we put 3 on top. This will simplify down to 1/3, and yeah, that is 0.3 repeating. Here, this is the thousandth, so 1,000 minus 1 is 999, so our denominator will be 999 with the numerator as 459. Remember though, the entire decimal has to repeat, and we only subtract when we see a repeating bar. If we don't see a repeating bar, we just use the place value as the denominator.